Good morning, beautiful moving people. Here we are back for a new video. Join us on this adventure today where we head on towards Torrevieja. There we're gonna do 2-3 things: upload these videos, grab a coffee, and then go and visit near Torrevieja the Rosa Laguna. I think that's what it's called. But it's a lagoon and it's supposed to be rosa. Anyways, still trying to get in, but hey, let's start this baby and head off. Stabilization. Okay, also I have to like kind of warm up myself. It's a bit chilly today. No, I'm joking. But still need to warm up a bit myself. It's nice to be driving again. I have to say, I'm loving the cabin here in front with the cozy. Sorry. Okay, serious Petros now, for sure. I don't know what to say, but I am very serious, and we are moving and driving towards that direction. Okay, I have to concentrate on my driving. Here, a nice flower bench. So we just stopped at this pretty big parking spot because I don't know how it's gonna be in the city. So this is like kind of a bit outside the center. So yeah, get ready and go. Okay, rucksack almost packed. We have that. So even though I'm now in the shade, it's pretty sunny down here in Torrevieja. Like 10-15 kilometers from the spot we started, and it's almost no clouds. I hope this doesn't get too warm. We see. Let's go into the town. Check this tree out. Spikes. Beautiful moving people. We're back. It was a short situation down in the city. I guess a nice city, and was pretty quiet. I think during the summertime it's a bit more alive. Fortunately, the place that I wanted to upload the videos didn't offer the Wi-Fi connection as it was said on the website. So yeah, well, keep that short. Got a bit uninspired and came back. So let's head on to the lake, to the Laguna, to the Salt Lake, and have a look at that. No? And we have managed it. Just met also a really friendly man who lives like right next to where I parked, and he told me go after this big tree, right? There is a hole in the fence, and then you can go to the Salina. Salina, here I come. Got some nice vibes. Like met also now another couple with a beautiful Labrador dog, and they told me this way, directly to the shore of the Salina. Yes, nice to see people smiling and having a good time. And let us have a look at the Rosa Salina or the Rosa Laguna. So I don't know if the camera captures it that nicely as I see it now directly on the shore, but can you see the color? Wow! I don't know if this excites you as it excites me, but nature is always a nice play partner. Feel good about it. Being here, it's nice. This lagoon is a Salina at the end of the day. It's a salt lake. You see this? There in the back, I don't know if you can see, maybe I can do a fix zoom in back. It's the salt they extract from here. Woohoo! Back in the distance there is some work going on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like boats, small boats carrying like what it looks like crates or maones full with salt. What is it? So let's see the first flight of the over the trip. It's been a while, but let's go and have a look, huh? Beautiful moving people. Here comes the end. We've managed. You can find much better pictures and everything, you know, all over the internet of the spot here. It's beautiful, and I think in a general state of mind, really nice here, relaxing. So for me, it's like going now a short walk down there, and we'll be leaving you on this one. Thanks for joining me in this adventure. Yeah, catch you on the next one. Much love out there, and don't forget, if you like and subscribe. Na gut, tschüss.